Welcome to this module on SQL. In this lesson, we're going to go through Introduction to SQL. We're going to start with knowing what SQL is, get familiar with relational databases. We're also going to have an overview of database design. First, what is SQL? SQL is known as Structured Query Language. It's a programming language that allows users to communicate with relational databases, and it's also used to request or send queries to the database to access, retrieve, sort, and update information. Now, let's look at what a relational database is. A relational database is similar, but not a spreadsheet. It is used to store data in rows and columns, that is, in a tabular format. Each row and column represent different data attributes or represent the relationship between data values. We have different relational database management systems for managing our database and other artifacts within our database. Most common of these are the PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and SQLite. We have different SQL dialects. All our DBMS have the SQL dialects that uniquely identify it. PostgreSQL, which we are going to focus on in this lesson, follows most closely the standard SQL syntax, and this makes it easier to transition from the knowledge you've gained from using PostgreSQL to other dialects if need be while using SQL in other RDBMSs. Now let's look at database design. So what is database design? A database design provides logical and physical design models of a database system. So when we're talking about logical model, we're concentrating on the data requirements, the data to be stored independent of physical consideration. That is the physical server itself. So physical data design model involves translating the logical DB design to the database on physical media using hardware resources and software systems such as a database management system. Now it's time for us to go and install our PostgreSQL to have a feel of what a database is and also the design that we're going to use to create our own database. See you in the next lesson.